have some boots that I got from Dolls Kill. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'll probably edit this part out because you're not supposed to undress. I went to the mall the other day, and of course I had to stop by Hot Topic, and I'm so excited to show you the few things that I got. So this is my little Hot Topic mini haul. Here we go. The bag. I love tall socks. So I got these really cool tall socks. They're knee-high socks. So yes, check them out. Aren't they fantastic? I will wear them in a video very soon. It's more knee-highs. Look, okay, these ones are so cute though. They have little ruffles at the end. Yes, love them, love them. I have some boots that I got from Dolls Kill. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Oh, cat, come on. No. Okay, everything's fine. Where was I? Jeez. Anyway, so I have some boots that I got from Dolls Kill that these are going to look so freaking cute with. And I will show you the Dolls Kill boots one of these days as well. I like to wear wigs, I like to dress up, and I don't like to look my age. So I got these cool little striped hand things, and I'm going to show you what they look like. They're really neat. Check these babies out. If somebody knows what these are called, the little hand things, put it in the comments, please. Check this out. Like, first of all, I get cold in the winter, especially when I'm only wearing a tank top. Yes. I say yes to these things. I like them. Aren't they nice? I think they're great. Alright, and that is what I got at Hot Topic. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Straight.